Good morning everyone. Today student we will discuss one important topic, that is removal of toxic waste. And in your book it is given as human excretory system. Yes student, in our body there are the different process takes place, especially the metabolism. Means when we take the food or the different substances, then all those substances are metabolized in our body with the help of biochemical reactions. And in those biochemical reactions, there are some toxic substances are produced in our body, and those toxic substances are removed with the help of egestion and excretion. Now, what is egestion? Egestion is the last step of nutrition student. Nutrition have the 4 different steps like the ingestion, digestion, absorption and assimilation, and after the assimilation there is egestion. And in the egestion, the digestive organ that help us, it is large intestine. Inside the large intestine, the excess water is absorbed, and in this process student, there is the solid waste are removed by our body via rectum student. So egestion plays very important role to remove the solid waste. Now with this, in our body there are other excretory organs that help us to maintain our homeostasis. Now what is homeostasis student? Many times in our life we face the adverse condition. At the time of facing the adverse condition like more heat, more cold, or anger or fear, due to these conditions our body is balanced with the help of excretion student. Yes, with the help of excretion our body is maintained or balanced at that time. So the process that help us to maintain our body or helps to balance our body in the adverse condition is known as homeostasis. And during the homeostasis there are many waste are produced, and those waste are removed with the help of excretory organs. Now one by one we will discuss about those excretory organs student. First excretory organ that we have, it is our skin. Inside the skin student there are small pores are found, and with the help of those pores the sweat is removed with the help of sweat glands. Now that sweat contains some toxic salt or toxic waste in the form of water. Main water is removed, excess water is removed by our body, salt is removed, and with this there is small amount of urea is also released or removed by the skin pores student. And with the help of this our body homeostasis is maintained. In nowadays we have the adverse condition due to having the more temperature in the summer. So at that time our body temperature is controlled due to the homeostasis, and in that homeostasis excretion via skin plays very important role, because the skin remove the excess salt from our body, from which our body becomes cool, and this process is known as homeostasis student, from which our body temperature is controlled, or our body have one balanced temperature. And what is it? Our body temperature, it is 36.5 degrees Celsius. Second excretory organ that we have, student, it is lungs. Lungs also works as excretory organ because in our body there is cellular respiration takes place in which the food is utilized, and during the utilization of the food the carbon dioxide is removed by our body. Now that carbon dioxide is exhaled by us with the help of lungs. So lungs also work as excretory organ, and it also help us in homeostasis, student. When we have the fear or when we have the anger, then what should we do? We should take long breath like this. So with the help of that long breath, what we do the homeostasis, and due to that homeostasis our body is balanced, and the anger that we have, or we have the fear, then that from that adverse condition we can protect our body. So it is about the lungs, student, lungs. Now with this, there is another important organ, and this organ God gives us in the form of chocolate because it looks like chocolate, student. And what is it? It is liver. And liver also help us to remove some toxic waste, especially urea, student. When we take the protein diet, then that protein diet is converted into ammonia. Now that ammonia is turned into urea with the help of liver. With this, liver also kills some pathogens that are found inside the blood by secreting the bile juice. And in this, that liver help us to remove the nitrogenous toxic waste. And what is it? It is the urea. And it also help us in the digestion of fat and protein. That's why the liver plays very important role. It helps in the digestion as well as it also help us in the excretion, student. And which substance is excreted via liver? That is urea, student, urea. Now we come on the next important system, that is known as human urinary system, and this system is in your syllabus. In this, there are the bean-shaped organs that are found in the lower part of our abdomen cavity at the both side of the backbone. These bean-shaped organs are known as kidneys. There is one pair of kidneys are found in our body, and with the help of these bean-shaped organ, student, or with the help of our kidney, we remove the nitrogenous waste, excess salt from our body. And with this, it also have the adrenal glands on it, and kidneys also help us in the homeostasis, and with this it also help us to remove the toxic waste. That's why we can say that the kidneys are the important organs of our body from which we get rid from the nitrogenous waste like urea, salt or ions or excess water or excess sugar is removed by our body with the help of kidneys. And in our next segment, we will study about these kidneys and the human urinary system in detail, student. Now you will try to cover this topic and you will write it in your notebook. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.